Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to delete media from a post on X, formerly Twitter. So to do this, you have just to go to X and open the app. Let me click cancel. So after that, go to your profile, click on your picture on the top left and click on profile. So there is one thing that you should know, and that thing is to delete media from a post. You should have premium subscription on X, and you can do it just for the first hour after posting your video. So for example, to delete that video from the post, I will click on the three dots next to the post and click edit post, and this edit post will not appear for you if you try to edit your post after 1 hour of posting it. And as you can see, there is that X icon next to my video on the top right of my video. I click on it, and like that I deleted the video and click update, and as you will see now, so I just deleted the video from my post on X. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in